This is the TRX Home2 System. TRX claims this tangle of nylon straps is a complete home gym that can replace your bulky dumbbells and that $100 a month gym membership. But here's the thing. After putting this through its paces for a month, I've found out the one thing the glossy ads don't tell you. It's not just about the straps, it's about how much they actually expose the weaknesses in your form. Today, we're diving deep to see if this is the ultimate fitness hack for your home or just a very expensive piece of rope. TRX Home2 System Suspension. Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The TRX Home2 System is the latest evolution of the original suspension trainer created by a Navy SEAL. Released as the mid-tier sweet spot in their lineup, it's aimed squarely at the home athlete, the person who wants a killer workout in their living room or hotel room without the clutter. For about $200, you get the straps, a door anchor, a suspension anchor for outdoor use, and a mesh carry bag. The big selling point here, it's lighter than the Pro 4 model, but more pro than the Budget Move system, making it the go-to choice for 2025's home gym crowd. TRX Home2 System Suspension Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use this for everything, from morning mobility sessions to high-intensity HIIT circuits, and I was really impressed with the fluidity. Unlike cheap knockoffs that feel jerky when you change angles, the Home2 has these barrel lock adjusters that make transitions seamless. I took this to a local park and looped it over a sturdy tree limb using the suspension anchor. In about 60 seconds, I had a full-body workout station. The real-world feel? It's humbling. Because you're fighting gravity, a simple push-up becomes a core shredding challenge because the straps are constantly trying to pull you off balance. I did notice that if you don't have a lot of space behind your door, some exercises, like the TRX lunge, can feel a bit cramped, but for 90% of movements, it's remarkably stable. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features that actually matter. Adjustable foot cradles. This is a huge upgrade. Most suspension trainers have one-size-fits-all loops. These have Velcro adjustments, which means your feet won't slip out mid-mountain climber. It's a game changer for floor work. Barrel lock adjusters. Instead of those annoying cam buckles that bite into the fabric, these sliders are smooth. It makes switching from a low row height to a high press height take seconds, keeping your heart rate up during a circuit. The TRX Training Club App. You get a free 1-year subscription included. This is basically the brain of the operation. If you're a beginner, follow the videos on your phone, they track your progress, and honestly, having a coach in your ear makes you 20% less likely to quit halfway through. Design and build. Aesthetically, TRX knocked it out of the park. It's got that signature yellow and black, I mean business look. The straps are made of high-grade nylon webbing that feels virtually indestructible. It's rated for up to 350 pounds. However, let's talk about handles. The Home2 uses dense foam grips. They feel super comfortable and premium in the hand, but full disclosure, they can soak up sweat. If you're a heavy sweater, you might want to wipe them down after every session to avoid that gym smell. If you want the antimicrobial rubber grips, you have to jump up to the Pro 4, but for most people, this foam is plenty durable. Pros. Total portability. It weighs less than 2 pounds. It's the only piece of gear that fits in a carry-on and gives you a legitimate leg day. Versatility. You can do over 300 exercises. It's not just for pull-ups, it's for cardio, strength, and even yoga-style stretching. Fast setup. From the bag to the door in under a minute. No excuses. Cons. Anchor requirements. You need a solid door or high beam. If your apartment has flimsy hollow core doors, you might feel a bit sketched out. Price. $200 is a lot for straps, even if they are the best straps on the market. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're a busy professional or a traveler who hates hotel gyms, this is an absolute no-brainer. It is the most efficient use of space in the fitness world, period. But if you're a hardcore powerlifter looking to hit a new 1-rep max on bench press, you might be better off sticking to the iron. The TRX Home2 System isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a lifestyle tool. It's for the person who values freedom and wants a no-excuses way to stay fit. Is it expensive? Yeah, but compared to a $1,500 smart mirror or a $2,000 treadmill that ends up as a clothes rack, this is a steal. It's the best $200 you'll spend on your health this year.